got a 90s, is this 90s thing going on. I'm liking it. Got the throw out, froze out, woes out. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm back at it again at work, and today I have a couple things to do. My manager comes in a little bit later and there's an interview happening, so I gotta straighten up the shop a little bit. I still need to package an online order up, so I'm gonna be doing that along with a couple other things. I also have a mentee coming in later today. I don't know if I'm gonna film that because I don't know if like her parents are comfortable with her being recorded and filmed, or just being on social media in general because she's a little bit younger. But yeah, I have that going on today. I'm gonna teach a couple drawing techniques and, you know, just give a little advice for her future because she's interested in fashion. She's my first ever mentee as well. But I'm not gonna keep talking y'all head off because y'all know I love to do that. So let's get right into the video. It's like I haven't seen you forever.
I know, it's been like a month, it's been about a month.
Yeah,
how you doing? You look so good.
Thank you.
I like your hair.
Thank you. I'm filming the YouTube video, by the way, so if you see me recording, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, you doing YouTube version? Oh.
Why would it? I'll let broke it. That's lovely. Time to close up the shop. I hope they don't come in here because I'm about to leave. Anyways. I just got done with my mentor session. Just got done mentoring my mentee. I think that's what you call them. But yeah, it was a good session. I went over some of my drawing techniques. And, you know, we have our chit chats about the whole art process and fashion process in its entirety. Honestly, have fun doing it. It's fun helping young Black creatives like myself. It's nice to have that representation. So yeah, just closing it all on up now. All right, I'm bringing the sign in. Ooh, it's about to be difficult. Alrighty. Ooh, the sign is heavy. I can't believe I just did that with one arm. Alright, okay, don't knock me down, door. And we're out. Y'all fit check. Adorbs, ain't it? Adorbs. I wish I had some mom jeans or like some boyfriend jeans to go with it, but I don't, so. Whoops. Hey everyone, so today is Thursday and I need to switch out the outside sign. I don't think there's really much anything else that I'm doing today. I'm gonna check some online orders and yeah. I decided to make this video just the rest of the week of what a work day, well, a work week in my life is like. I should have did that with the first video, but that's already posted and I'm not gonna take that down because I just feel like the video is gonna be too long after that. So the next day I come in, I usually work Friday, but I don't work Friday today. So I come in Saturday and if there's anything that I'll do that day, I'll probably be filming it. But today I'm just gonna record me switching out the sign and putting some accessories back on that last mannequin that I styled. I changed that dress out because I thought that was way cuter for the whole summery look going on out there. I actually also have to hang back hang this wreath back up. I have to hang this back up because it fell yesterday as I was leaving. So yeah, I'm gonna hang that up, and there may be something else that I'm supposed to do. It just might not be in my head right now, but y'all will see. I don't know. I don't like how that one. I kind of like that better. Maybe because the orange kind of pops out. Let's just see. Yeah, I already know I don't want that. I think I'm gonna go with the orange. I think the orange,
Voila.